Will you still be here?
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm going to be bringing you guys a different type of video. It is going to be more towards like health and lifestyle, so if you guys are interested then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so as you guys can see I am barefaced and we are doing something different, as you can probably tell by the title. Today I'm going to be doing a grocery store haul and then kind of just talking to you guys about like where I am right now in this present moment when it comes to like my health journey and everything like that, and weight loss and all that good stuff. So let's just jump right in. Okay, so to start, I just want to let you guys know like what I'm going to be eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now to start off with breakfast, you guys, like I am not a breakfast person. Like I don't care, like I can get up at like 5 o'clock in the morning, like I probably will not eat until lunch because I just I don't know, like I'm just not interested in breakfast for whatever reason. I have no idea. For years I've tried to get myself into that. The only thing that I can do is like a breakfast smoothie, which is what I have been doing for some weeks, but I think I want to give it a break because I was kind of forcing it down and sometimes my body just feels like disgusted when I do that, so I'm just gonna give it a break. So for breakfast I'm going to be having Teami blends. This is the Teami blend skinny tea. I absolutely love this because it does help to reduce bloating and everything. I have actually lost weight with this tea. I know there's a lot of controversies about teas on Instagram and on social media and everything like that, but I actually have proof that I have lost weight with this tea with little to no workout. It was actually a point in time I actually lost weight with this tea twice. It was one when I was working out and it was a very minimalistic workout because your girl don't like to work out, and then it was another time where I lost weight when I didn't work out at all with this tea. Now of course you guys have to keep in mind you have to have a healthy eating habits. Like sis, you can't be pulling up to Chipotle every day and then drink this tea and expect for it to work, okay? If you guys want to try this tea out, I will leave a link down in the description box below, and I will also leave the videos where this tea actually helped me lose weight as well. I will leave actually my whole playlist on my Teami blends journey that I had in the past. It was quite a while ago, but I will go ahead and leave it so you guys can know like I'm not out here trying to scam you, sis. But yeah, like you can't just be like out here not exercising and then not having like a healthy eating habit and expect anything to work, like not only this tea but just to lose weight period with anything, like girl. So yeah, this is what will be my breakfast, I guess you could call it, because I'm not here for breakfast this week. It's just I'm giving it a break. So the main thing I want to share with you guys is in this Target bag. I literally just went to Target like 20 minutes ago and I got home and I was like I have to share this with my fabulous divas. So I am going to be trying the lean cuisine diet, okay? Because honestly I hate meal prepping because it takes so long. Like I don't know, you could comment down below and let me know if it's just me. Like it takes me hours upon hours to meal prep. Like it's just like a nightmare to me. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try this lean cuisine diet, and it's super easy, and like how could I fail at this, right? The meals are already prepped. Yeah, I got them from Target. They were about like $2 something a piece. Let's just round it off to $3, which is not bad. Like for $3 for a meal, I mean it's not bad, right? So I'm just gonna share the ones that I got with you guys. So overall, like for like a week's worth of food for me is about like $37 and some change, and that is for 7 days. So 7 days and 2 meals a day for me is $37. So that's about what I spent. I know things would vary because we may be in different states or different parts or taxes and all that. I don't know. Do they tax food? I don't know, but anyways, let me share with you guys the lean cuisines that I got. And most of these I have not tried, so hopefully it's not a fail, sis, because it's gonna be like a real disaster, okay? Some of them I had tried and I'll let you guys know like as I go along. So I got this one and it's broccoli cheddar rotini. It says rotini pasta with broccoli and a creamy cheddar cheesy sauce, and this one is 300 calories. So that's the main reason why I'm leaning towards these. Now these are high in sodium, so keep that in mind, and also keep in mind that girl, I am not a medical professional, okay? I'm just telling you like what I'm basically reading. So I'm just trying to keep my calories down. So I was like, you know what, instead of me cooking my food and I have no idea what calories I'm putting into my body, because girl, am I going to be checking? Am I responsible enough right now in my life to be checking that? Am I not busy enough? No. So we're gonna try this. So this one is actually 300 calories, and yeah, it looks pretty good on the box. So hopefully it will taste good. I will be doing a separate video letting you guys know like how my full day goes, and I'm going to do it on the weekly basis just to kind of give you guys an update as to what I'm doing, as well as like the weight loss and everything like that, just to hold me accountable, and so I can also share with you guys in case it actually works. I mean, I just want to share with you guys. So the next one I got is this. This is called one of the favorites. It's lasagna with meat sauce. It's a layered pasta with seasoned meat, tomato, mozzarella, and Parmesan cheese. And this one also has 300 calories, which is not bad because I think the amount of calories I can have every day for my weight and my weight loss goal and all that good stuff, my BMI, all that, I can have about 1,500 calories a day. And with me not eating breakfast and just basically eating for lunch and dinner, that's pretty good. We'll see how everything goes once I throw breakfast in there, but that's pretty good. So yeah, so this is the lasagna with meat sauce, and this one is 300 calories as well. I have never personally tried this one, so I'm hoping this one is good. It looks good on the box, so hopefully it's just as good and tasty. So the next one is macaroni and cheese, and this is another favorite. This one is 270 calories. I actually have had this one before, and the macaroni and cheese, like, it's not like grandma and auntie's macaroni and cheese, okay? We just gonna be real. Like, we all know that like a spoon of that is like 700 calories, okay? And it ain't nothing wrong with it, okay? Because it's good. But this is not grandma and auntie's macaroni and cheese, okay? But it still does taste decent, like for it to be like more on the lower calorie side. So it is something that you can, like, it's edible and you can consume it and swallow it without being too grossed out. So this is another favorite. I seem to have gotten all the favorites, okay? So this one is the Swedish Meatballs. It's pasta in a savory gravy. This one is also 290 calories. I have had this one before and it tastes so freaking good. Like, I really do like it, and I was surprised because when I first got it like a while ago, like, I was not expecting to like it. I just randomly got it. I don't even know why, and I really do like it. So I'm really happy with this one too. So yeah, this one is good in case you guys are gonna try it out with me, and let me know if you're gonna join my journey, my lean cuisine journey with me, okay? So this one was really good in case you want to try it out. I know everybody's taste bud is different, but I'm sure that you'll probably like this. So the next one is a lean cuisine comfort food, and this is the steak portobello. It's tender beef steak and portobello mushrooms and a savory beef sauce with broccoli. And this one is 160 calories. I have never personally tried this before, so I have no idea how it's going to taste, but hopefully it tastes good, girl, because I do not have time. Like, I do not like nasty food. So the next one I got is another favorites, and I'm getting that from here. Like, on here it says like favorites, comfort, or whatever they consider it to be. So this is the 5 cheese rigatoni, and this is rigatoni pasta topped with a 5 cheese blend and a sweet tomato sauce, and this one is 360 calories. I have had this one before and it tastes pretty darn good, so I would definitely recommend it. It doesn't have any meat or anything, but I was pescatarian. I'm not pescatarian anymore, so I don't mind so much eating meals without meat. Like, it doesn't bother me because I did it for 2.5 years, so I mean, it's not that big of a deal, especially because I don't have to strictly go off of that anymore. So this one doesn't have any meat, but this one is pretty good. So this is a features, that's what it says here. I don't know. So this is the 4 cheese pizza. It's a blend of reduced fat mozzarella, Parmesan, Asiago, and Romano cheese. This one is 360 calories. I have not had this one before, so I don't know how it tastes. I just hope it tastes good. So here's another favorite. This one is the spaghetti with meat sauce with tomatoes and basil, and this one is 310 calories. I have never had this one before either, so I'm just hoping and praying it tastes good. So yeah. And last but not least, I got another, this one is the Marketplace, it's weird how they categorize these. Like, how do they, like, where do they get these categories? But anyways, this one says it's a marketplace, under the marketplace category. And this is the Vermont cheddar, white cheddar and mac. Cannot talk. Let's try that again. The Vermont white cheddar mac and cheese. So yeah, I don't know. Oh, and it says it's made with organic pasta, and it says this one is 260 calories. So this one is basically a mac and cheese. It's just made with different cheeses, and I have never tried this one before, so I'm hoping that this one will be good. I think I watched somebody's video and they said this one was good because I YouTubed it. So yeah, I YouTubed it. But yeah, they said it was really good, so hopefully it is really good. And they didn't really have, like, those are pretty much the ones that they had that I was actually interested in, or I thought that I was interested in. So I kind of repeated it. So that's pretty much what I have. So yeah, like, I have 7 days for 2 meals worth of basically what I showed you. If you guys did enjoy this video, then definitely give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know, girl, like, what is on your grocery list. Let me know how you're doing. If you're on your healthy weight loss journey or whatever you're doing, let me know. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will not miss any upcoming videos from me. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you fabulous girls in my next video. Bye.